Yeah, I'm very pleased to have been there at the beginning.
Shasta College was really the foundation and the foundational role in my education to spearhead me to where I am today.
Without Shasta and giving me the opportunity to keep playing football, I never would have had the career that I got to experience and all the great memories.
That was the attraction for me to go back up there because Shasta College was beginning.
I have some of my best memories at Shasta College. It was a great choice for me. I really loved my time there.
I feel it's been a real privilege and honor being at Shasta College for so long. You know, when I get cut, I don't bleed red, I bleed green and white.
On behalf of the class of 1951, congratulate Shasta College on its 75th anniversary.
I'm Dr. Frank Nigro, president of Shasta College, and I'm excited to welcome you to Shasta College's 75th anniversary celebration. Go Knights!